Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by moving straight to the marked terminal. Access is time-sensitive, so do not linger. Once near, clear the immediate area or position behind cover so you can interact safely. Make sure your loadout includes hacking tools and any modifiers that speed progress. These reduce injection time and lower risk. You're aiming to initiate the spike quickly because lingering attracts patrols. With the terminal in range, interact and begin the upload sequence while monitoring flanks. Once the upload begins, maintain line of sight to the terminal and watch the progress bar. Interruptions reset or slow the spike. You should actively use crowd control tools like stun grenades or smoke to block enemy approaches, because preventing cancellations is critical. Communicate with your teammate assigned to Overwatch so they suppress threats while you remain focused on the sequence. If the upload slows, cycle defensive abilities and reposition slightly. This often prevents a forced restart without wasting time. When the progress hits 100%, grab the data and leave the terminal area without delay. Extraction windows are short and enemy reinforcements arrive fast. Move to a pre-planned extraction point or vehicle, using cover and routes you scouted earlier, because predictable movement reduces interception risk. If enemies interrupt or corrupt the spike mid-transfer, abort and fall back to a secondary terminal or safe house to attempt a fresh upload. This avoids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.